Hello there, everybody. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. My name is Nixie and my ID number is 2844. So let's go ahead and proceed with our topic, which is about herd health program on sheep. What is actually a herd health program? Basically, it means activities that are carried out for the maintenance and improvement of the livestock's health. What are the activities involved, you ask? What are the activities involved? So for today, we as in our group will be explaining 9 of the common activities that are carried out. Starting from number 1, we have bleeding. Number 2 is deworming. Number 3, vaccination. Number 4, tagging. Number 5 is dehorning. Number 6 is depicking. Number 7 is fecal egg count. Number 8 is livestock weighing. And last but not least, census. So next is deworming. Deworming is actually an activity that is done to reduce infection and prevent parasites on livestock that can cause diseases. This activity is carried out at least 3 times a year and it focuses more on livestock that age 2 months and above. Some examples of medication given are sedactin, albendazole, and also ivermectin.
Okay, my turn. I will describe about livestock weighing and bleeding for sheep. If you want to know, there is a lot of activities or program that we need to know their weight before we do those things. Okay, let's dig deeper into it.
First of all, we need to find out the weight of newborn sheep because we need to give them an optimum amount of milk they needed, 10 to 12% of their weight. Other things, we need to find out the total quantity of drug dose according to the weight of the sheep. As for example, for deworming, like albendazole, we need to give them 2 ml per 11 kg of their weight using drenching gun by oral. The next one is bleeding. It's mean to take blood sample from livestock. There is 2 blood vessels that can be taken, coccygeal vein and jugular vein. Equipment that we use is Venerjack tube, Venerjack holder, and Venerjack needle. In IVM, we commonly use 3 types of Venerjack tubes: EDTA, the purple one, plain tube, the red one, and heparin tube, the green one. Blood sample is used for analyzing blood protozoa. There are 4 types of blood protozoa, which is Babesia, Anaplasma, Trypanosoma, and Theileria.
Next, I would like to talk about fecal egg count and taking in sheep. Okay, let's go.
Fecal egg count. We take fecal sample to do fecal egg count. This is important in order to improve our animals' health by monitoring and to study worm and endoparasite. Normally, 10% from herd population is needed for sampling. We need to take 3 grams of stool from the rectum and send to the laboratory of the calculation of the number of worm eggs. Based on the result of fecal egg count, we know how to frequently to do deworming programs. Deticking. The purpose to do deticking is to eliminate and reduce ectoparasite on the body part of animal in all stages of age. This is important to avoid vector disease-borne infection. This program is doing once a month or depend on the lot of lice. Usually, we use the most effective tickets either by bath such as dipping or spraying, or on through body or by injection such as ivermectin.
Hello guys, it's my turn, isn't it? So I will describe about the method tagging and census livestock. So let's proceed. Let's go. So tagging and census livestock are important and also interrelated. So why do farm animals need tagging? So tagging works first to be easily seen from a distance of 50 meters. Second, easy to install on livestock and economic. Third, if it has tagging, then employees will easily need to understanding. And lastly, as well as suitable for all use for all level of livestock. However, livestock census works to calculate the number of livestock, whether equal or not to the number in the record as well. And also, census is done at least 2 times a year or done in the event of loss. So, why are tagging and livestock census related? This is because when livestock is lost, then employee have to make census using records to find out the current number of livestock is the same as the previous census record.
Hi, my name is Tracy Olivia Joseph. My ID number is 2864. For my part, I will describe about dehorning and vaccination. Dehorning. The purpose of removing the horn are less likely to hurt or injure other sheep or its owner. Other than that, it is easier to handle and give less space when in the feedlot. Divided into 2 groups, which is lambs and adult sheep. The method used in this activity are dehorning paste and embryotome wire. Vaccination. Another activity involved is vaccination. This can prevent disease caused by virus and also to control disease from spreading. An example of a vaccine given is for Clostridium disease. There are 2 groups that will get this type of vaccine, that is livestock aged 6 months and above, and second is pregnant ewe 6 to 2 weeks before giving birth. The vaccine will be given through subcut injection. One of the common vaccine is Clostridial C and D and tetanus.